I think every Dogecoin holder needs to know about a bullish signal that came out earlier today. This news signal suggests that Doge and Bitcoin's rally is far from over. So let's take a look at it. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. The winner will be announced on 18th August. Now, let's get started with today's video. So, the bullish signal that resulted in a 250% increase in Bitcoin is getting triggered again. Before I talk about it, we have to remember that if Bitcoin gets a 250% rise, Dogecoin will most likely follow its trajectory too. Taking a quick look at its price, Bitcoin is in the red, and even Dogecoin is down by around 6%. But as I said, a new indicator suggests that we don't have a lot to worry about. The chart shows that the current Bitcoin trends are putting the market under a lot of buying pressure. And there are accumulation patterns that continue to show that holders are now buying more instead of selling. On top of that, the hash ribbons are now indicating a strong buying signal. Interestingly, the last time this signal was seen, Bitcoin hit its all-time high of 64K. Basically, this new data suggests that Bitcoin is going to go to 100K by December this year. And when it does, Dogecoin is going to explode too. Now, there's another key data point that suggests that Bitcoin is going back to its all-time highs. This one's about the government. So while the government is saying that the rising inflation rate is nothing to be worried about, new data suggests something totally different. July's CPI figures show a massive 5.4% rise. And this rise in CPI hasn't been seen since 2008. Also, according to the CPI data for August, things are worse than everyone thought. Before I tell you more about it, it's important to understand that when inflation rises, people look at other stores of value as a hedge against inflation. Until now, gold has proven to be a great one. But this year, it has finally yielded negative returns. I'll come back to it in a minute. Talking about the rising inflation, real estate and rent prices have skyrocketed too. The index for hotels and motels has risen by 6.8% in July, and for fuel, it stands at 2.4%. And then there are airline tickets, whose prices have increased by a massive 19%. The point is that the dollar in your bank account is losing its value every day, and because of this, more people are looking for a hedge against inflation. Coming back to gold, let's take a look at how it's done this year. In January, an ounce of gold was around $1,950, and now it costs only $1,790. I hope you get where I'm going with this. In January, you could have bought one Bitcoin for $30K, and now it costs $45K. And if we look at Doge, the rise is truly outrageous. Now, coming back to gold, let's take a look at this prediction by a popular analyst. He said that Bitcoin is set to replace gold on Bretton Woods' 50th anniversary. And he has a really good reason to believe it. According to this chart, spot gold has fallen by more than 99% against Bitcoin since August 2011. Now the point of all this is that more and more people will choose Dogecoin and Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. And this is going to lead to huge pumps this year. Of course, they have another option in the form of equities. But still, it looks like people are going to choose Bitcoin over them as well. About this, Anthony Pompliano, a popular analyst and investor, said that you essentially are left with Bitcoin or equities, which leads you to consider an allocation to Bitcoin given the high degree of volatility that will likely serve to outperform equities over a long enough time period. So, as I said, all of this is really bullish for Doge and the entire crypto market. Now, before I talk about more predictions, I'd like to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So you should definitely do proper research before investing anything into crypto. Now, coming back to predictions and analyses, this one says that according to on-chain data, Bitcoin showed signs of buyer exhaustion near the 47K price mark. It also says that we could see its price decrease because the number of active Bitcoin addresses are continuing to fall. Now, something like this might spread some FUD in the market, and this is why we need to get the complete picture. So, another piece of data is that over 1 million additional users have joined the Bitcoin network since mid-July. The popular on-chain analyst, Willy Woo, believes the network is currently functioning at an extremely high level. About this, he said that users on the Bitcoin network are presently expanding at their highest rate in history. In the previous 30 days, 1.2 million new users have been added. This figure does not include off-chain users on exchanges, which can be up to 3 times higher. He then went on to say that the expansion is equivalent to onboarding a nation the size of El Salvador every 2 months. So basically, this suggests that more people are coming into the Bitcoin network than ever before. And this is great because a lot of them are going to spill over to Dogecoin too. Now, let's move on to another prediction. We'll be looking at Bitcoin's prediction because Doge is obviously following its trajectory right now. So the renowned financial expert Alan Santana said that she thinks Bitcoin is going to go above 60K very soon. As shown in this chart, the price has created new higher support levels and is bouncing back pretty well. And then there's the 200-day moving average that suggests the same. So, as I said before, Bitcoin's new rally is going to have a huge impact on Dogecoin too. I think the key here is to wait for just the right moment because it's just around the corner. Now, let's move on to some other interesting news from today. The huge institution, Fidelity, said that 90% of its biggest clients are asking for Bitcoin. Its CEO said that, "We're dealing with the more traditional investors, and the entry vehicle to this space is largely Bitcoin. What really got people off the fence was the pandemic because you've got this scarce asset class. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin created, and an environment where our currency is being debased and there's a ton of money printing." Basically, more and more big whales are looking to buy Bitcoin. And as I've been saying, when Bitcoin goes up, it'll take altcoins like Doge up with it too. Now, another big news from today was that Walmart is looking to hire a new crypto expert. If you remember, Amazon posted a similar job posting earlier this month. And then this news was leaked that said that Amazon is going to accept the top 7 cryptos by market cap in December. So, I think this one is pretty similar. Perhaps Walmart is also looking to accept the top 7 cryptos by market cap. And if you haven't noticed, Dogecoin is right up there at the 7th spot. Now, there's another giant that is looking to hire a crypto expert. We're talking about United Kingdom's banking giant Lloyds here. It says here that according to the job description, its responsibilities align with the growth of digital currencies. And it is a trend the bank says has evolved rapidly. Basically, the demand for cryptos is rising and they simply can't ignore it anymore. And so they know they have to hire a crypto expert in order to cater to their customers' demands. So, I think it's pretty great because this move will finally help them explore the uses of cryptos. Let's look at its price for a minute. Currently, it's trading at around 30.1 cents. I'm sure that some holders are panicking right now, but I think this minor setback is absolutely important for Doge to see bigger gains later this month. And perhaps this is a test to see if you have paper hands or diamond hands. As I've been saying, it's the ones with diamond hands that have seen the biggest profits this year. And there's new data that suggests the same. In any case, let me know what you think will happen to Dogecoin this week in the comment section below. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.